The rearing of pigs is a profitable venture with a potential to improve one's prosperity. Though a number of people disregard the pigs with associated flora around them, good husbandry practices have come to turn around all this.
I started with 3 mothers which were pregnant, and my target was not to spend a lot on piglets, feeding them, waiting for them to grow for 8 months, and they start multiplying. My target was to start small, spend little, and get something big quickly.
Jane Ada, the owner of Dependable Farm in Ikasanje Mpigi district, highlights the key factors about rearing pigs to get the best out of them.
Washing them, hygienic to bathe them. Secondly, for their comfort, pigs love water. When you pour on them water, they feel alive. That's why we bathe them. For hygiene, and just to make them feel well. If you love something, you always do your best. We love them, we have the passion, and we are motivated, especially the workers who handle them. They make sure they clean the housings, they disinfect them, they keep water all throughout in the sties, and